Hi everyone, I'm Lakpa Sangay Yolmo and I'm excited to share that I've completed my Advanced Diploma in cybersecurity. I love technology, I always love technology, and cybersecurity is important because it helps protect our digital world. I choose ISOEH because it's known for great training. I took several courses here, including the Advanced Diploma in cybersecurity, and it was an amazing experience. Getting this diploma was big achievement for me. It feels great to reach this goal, and it shows how hard I have worked. It's a big step in my cybersecurity career. The teachers at ISH, Somdev sir, Parthu sir, and Pankaj sir, they were very fantastic. They helped me a lot in both theory and practical classes. The study material were excellent, and the lab gave me a hands-on experience. For anyone thinking about a career in cybersecurity, now it's a great time. There's a big demand for skilled professionals, and with this right training, you can make a real difference. Thank you, ISH, for helping me succeed. And to all the future cybersecurity experts, keep learning and stay passionate.